everybody, I wanted to show you how we're going to get started with our yearbook cover project. Before I do anything, the first thing I'm going to do is get myself organized on the computer. To do this, you're going to be on your login screen and you're going to click on the folder. And then there's a bunch of places you can save things. We're going to be saving to the D drive, which is locally on the machine. You can see I already made a folder for this project, but to do that, all you have to do, you can see there's some tabs up here. If you click on the Home tab, you can see Create a New Folder. You click on it, you can title your folder with your name. So here's my Yearbook Rachel folder. I'm going to put this in here to stay organized. And inside, I have my first project, Cover Art Project. I would really recommend to you make a folder for each project so that your stuff stays organized. Otherwise, it's going to become pretty unorganized pretty quickly. Okay? The first thing I'm going to want to do is start collecting some images that I want to use to generate my project. We'll use Google Chrome to kind of get us started. The programs we'll be learning, Photoshop and Illustrator, use pre-existing images that then you can manipulate. So you're going to want to go under Google Images. And then say I'm thinking of my nature theme, I want kind of a jungle background. You're going to notice a whole bunch of images come up. If you go under Tools, you'll get some different options for the type of images. We want to make sure that our images are labeled for reuse with modification, which means we don't have to pay royalties. So I'll kind of be looking. I kind of like the spookiness of this one. So I can click on it, make sure it looks good when it's a larger size. And then once I'm ready, I'm going to start saving them to the computer so that when I'm ready to use Photoshop and Illustrator, I have pictures to use. So to do that, all I do is right-click with the mouse, go to Save Image As. Make sure it's a JPEG. If it's a file type you don't recognize, just ask me. And then I'm going to title this Jungle Background. And I'm going to make sure it's saving to the D drive. So I'll click on the D drive, go into my yearbook folder, save it right here, Jungle Background. And then that should save onto my machine. Okay? I can do that again. I just go back, go up to the top, and I can change what I'm searching for. For example, maybe I want to find some insects to put around the border, or maybe I'm going to find an interesting animal to be hiding in the jungle. So I would just go ahead and do that.